part 3 of the '09 Dodge Challenger. There's the factory exhaust, factory X pipe, aftermarket cut-in right there with 2 Magnaflow mufflers. Going on out to replace the tailpipes assembly, resonators, and the stainless steel tips. Here's the original equipment that was removed at the customer's request: the factory muffler, tailpipes, resonators, OE tips. And here's what the car sounds like with the modification made. Here's 2500. You can hear the RPM cut due to software taking over. We can't go past 2500 RPM in park. The computer won't allow it. Here's an idle. And here's what a throttle snap sounds like, which is quite nice.